Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to Cutie Kathakali. I am Kathakali and in today's video, I am going to teach you guys 4 math hacks which are going to be really useful for your exams. Now why I am so confident is just because I applied this hack for my own self and I got really good results. I got 97 out of 100 in maths. So that's a pretty impressive mark, right? So without further delay, let's jump into today's video. So here comes the first hack. In the first hack, we are going to learn how to deal with the nines table. So this is pretty simple. What you have to do is that in the second row means this 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to reduce 1 from each one of them. And you have to write them in this first column or the first row. So for the first answer it will come as 0. For the second one it will come as 1. For the third one it will come as 2. Fourth one 3. Fifth one 4. Sixth one 5. Seventh one 6. Eighth one 7. Ninth one 8. And 10th one 9. So now what you have to do is that you have to start from down. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to write from 0 from here. Means we are going to start from 0 which will come here. So what will it come? It will come like 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. So this was pretty simple, right? If you are having any confusion regarding this operation, so let me know in the comment section below. So this operation is called butterfly method. So in this operation, we will learn how to deal with the addition of the rational numbers. So this is also pretty simple. What you have to do is that you have to copy the question, then once again copy that one. The same question only. But now we are going to give here multiplication sign, not addition sign. So what we are going to basically do is that we are going to cross multiply these ones and these ones. And we are going to multiply the denominators, which are these ones. So for 2 and 7, it will come as 14. For 5 times 1, it will come as 5. And for 5 times 7, it will come as 35. Now what we have to do is that you just have to write 35 as a denominator like this. And for the numerator, you have to add 14 and 5, which is going to come as 19. So this one was pretty simple, right? If you have any question regarding this operation, so let me know in the comment section below. So in this operation, we are going to learn how to do multiplication with the numbers 11. But guys, this will only work for the numbers with 11. You can apply this for numbers like 2 digit only, not more than that. So for our first operation, we are having 32 multiplied by 11. So for this one, what we will do is that we will firstly write 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3 and 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. But here, what we will write in the blank? We will write here the addition or the sum of 3 plus 2, which is 5. That means in the blank it is going to be 5. Now for the next one, it is kind of like complicated, so pay attention to this one. Here also we will do the same thing. We will basically write 7 and 9, but no. If you are thinking that we are going to do this, then it is going to be wrong. What we are going to write here is actually something else. What is it going to be? We are going to know later, because the addition of 7 plus 9 comes 16, which is going to be adding up with 7. That means 7 is going to be actually 8. Sorry for rewriting, but this is really vital point. Note this one, and the 6 is as usual going to be placed in the blank. So this point was really vital. Now for our last operation, we are having 94 plus multiplied by 11. So for this one also, first we are going to find out the sum and then we are going to write the numbers. So 9 plus 4 comes 13. So 4 is going to be placed as usual, but 1 is going to add up with 9 and is going to make 10 in place of 9. And in the middle blank, as usual, it is going to come 3. So if you are also having any problems regarding this operation, so let me know in the comment section below. So here comes the next operation. In this operation, we will learn how to do simplify really easily. So as you guys can see in the question, we are having 3 negative integers, which is for us going to be really hard because so many differences is going to be come out a really hard number. But if you apply my hack, it is going to be really easy. What is the hack? You have to write the positive integers together first. Means basically you have to apply the BODMAS rule. How? 100, first 100, then plus 75. Then minus, we are going to write all the negative integers. So already I have given minus, so now 25 minus 57 minus 65. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to keep these in bracket. So whenever you are going to put this bracket, these all minuses are going to be plus. So this is the actual trick. Everyone will do minus, but you have to do plus in order to make the sum easier. So what will the answer come? The answer will come as, for this one it will come as 175 and for this one it will come as 147. And now you have just to find one difference, which is going to be for this one, the difference is going to come out as 28. So this was also pretty simple, right? And if you are also having any questions regarding this operation too, then let me know in the comment section below. So today we learned a lot of things, so let's summarize them first. So firstly, we learned how to deal with 9's table. So that was really simple. The second one was butterfly method. I really like that one. The third one was how to deal with 11 multiplied by any 2-digit number. That was also really important. And the last one, means the fourth one, was simplification. I also really like that one. So all of these are really recommended for me to try at home. So let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite, and if you are having any question regarding these hacks, then let me know in the comment section below. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then subscribe to my channel, click that notification button to get notified every time I post a video. Subscribe to my channel, I already said that, and comment down below and share this video to every one of your friends. And yeah, bye, have a nice day and study well.